Him a left Gaza. I say, fine. After that, how long now? This bomb buckler, man, yeah. Dead, nobody now voice him. I'm going to do a tune, a girl tune. You see me? A tune here, it's too bad. I remember the day when Liquid a play that tune, the Liquid a say, yo, papi, you are really youth, because I love how you going to give NOTNICE strength again. And from that, I never stop give you strength, youth.
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! What a vibes!
Me say this already, and me I go say this a million times. When you hear certain YouTuber attack and I say, yo, this and that person a deal, you need to believe them. You need to believe them or try to figure out something for yourself. Because we forward boy, me forward boy and say, yo, you know say, Popcaan and Rare and the Rare, them not deal. And now everything a unfold. So people, last night, NOTNICE did up on a live. You see me? And NOTNICE say, yo, Popcaan a pop. You see me? And everybody else say, yo, John Star, why Popcaan? Why them not deal? Them fall out X, Y, and Z. When Chaddy Murray TV, they done forward tune already and telling us say, yo, watch out, no man. Them no look like them good. Them not deal. Because the song with Jafrass do, it sound like say a whole heap of shot of fire over Popcaan side. Anyway, Popcaan forward and explain himself in this live. And where Popcaan say still, somehow where Popcaan say real. Popcaan say, yo, when NOTNICE left out of the Gaza, well, me don't know if I left NOTNICE left out of Gaza or them beat him out. But that's one different topic. When NOTNICE left out of the Gaza, you see me? Him a bounce all round. Nobody now voice for NOTNICE, and that a facts, people. When me say that a facts, me mean one time the man did have a rhythm when name the Ben Spoon on the rhythm. Yo, about 10 different times the man knock over the rhythm there. That one rhythm there. Is him knock them over and it becomes big, you know, and everything like that. But nobody never did a voice for NOTNICE. When I time here say NOTNICE asleep up on go-go club over St. Mary, people a fox me attack. You see me? Nobody never did a look for NOTNICE until Popcaan go there now and start voice back for Popcaan. So in this live where Popcaan forward out, him seems hurt for true. And me can see say Papi look frost out for no say yo. Popcaan for no say NOTNICE are this him them way there. But people, me say it already and me I go say it again. Them a family, them a brother-in-law. You see me? So me never treat business about them and them family feud where them want have and I turn it over the business. Because people are talk and people are message me in a DM and that's why I'm forward now. Come do the review ya. Come make the people them know what me think. But a real talk, some Popcaan say a real talk. You see me? A really Popcaan bring back NOTNICE and not him alone, because we have to dash credit where credit deserve. Popcaan and Alkaline really bring back NOTNICE. Make people look for NOTNICE and I say, yo, watch out, him no cartel beating stick again. People a fox me attack.
So nobody go like you know no idiot. You talk about me vexed man finna sign for unruly. I'm vexed man finna sign for unruly. I think I love man youth. Fuck there boy. You are talk about you speak facts. You speak be a trash youth. You are tell people about how much me vexed man finna in unruly camp. Me not love man youth. Me I give man strength. When me forward and say yo, unruly camp. Boy they pan the freezer chill like beach. Quad that them not even know them that go sing say. And me just stay out, see line there, wanna sing them there.
Alright, that's the way Popcaan say the whole thing a fall out from some signing argument. You see me? It's like you don't know say Popcaan bring Jafrass to the dancehall scene. Me not say a Popcaan make Jafrass start DJ no. But a Popcaan make enough people know about Jafrass. You see me? But Popcaan probably feel hurt in our way even though him a forward and I say yo him no feel no way. But Jafrass never signed to Popcaan label, which is the Unruly Entertainment and the Unruly Camp. Him got signed to NOTNICE. You see me? But if me I go be honest about it, yo, you see when me see that move they go on and me see Popcaan I do the bag of interview them and me see Popcaan start to be a project with DNA them, and even when him fall up on stage them man and the ER interview them and we not see Jafrass, we never see Jafrass pan that interview there, and him a said this is the unruly camp. So me did a meds it and I say probably them have a little agreement there when we say yo watch you know Vinci and Jafrass would work with NOTNICE because NOTNICE the two of them signed to. But as can to a Popcaan I say NOTNICE I say some feelings are carried this so. You see me? But uno have to look upon the party again at just what the unruly face go on. And Jafrass did perform at unruly face. Him did book feet. Him never did look feet. You see me? So I don't even know what he say about the story. Popcaan later on mentioned one incident we go on when him go on tour. So Popcaan go on tour, which is a funded tour by him. Him say him and Mini put money together and go on a tour over England. And him say him carry NOTNICE with him. So apparently when them forward back after the tour now, NOTNICE don't get no money. You see me? Listen me good enough. NOTNICE go on the tour for play music. As in, him would be the one to play. Because I know bands them a play. Them a play just play tracks. But when NOTNICE forward back at Jamaica with Popcaan don't give him no money. So now some bag of talk start make and some bag of something start talk and rare. Because Popcaan say, and a smarty have to tell him, say NOTNICE and make them talk there. So people, me I go on my honest opinion on this. I want to hear me out. You see me? NOTNICE can go foreign by Popcaan funded as him a Popcaan pay everything. Hotel, flight and everything because a Popcaan him a go work for. You see me? When you go foreign certain way them you can make certain links over there, link with certain artists and them thing. Them in a true know how it go for producer and for DJ. You see me? But me know how it go with artists when an artist carry a next artist pan tour with them and make them know say yo no money no really in there. And that individual artist have to go pan tour go hustle. Meaning try go look dub money, go look show. So for instance them they are England for 1 month. You see every party we keep in another 1 month time there near your vicinity where there you try get book feet. You see all of them sound man there where there you try know say yo you go do one probably 4 days out of the week or so and do some dub session and I saw you make back your money, which I don't know how NOTNICE would have make back the money there in where NOTNICE is not an artist, NOTNICE is a producer. Alright, go so now them forward back at Jamaica and the bag of talk start make and at this so it look like some other fallout start. But Popcaan could have give man a money. Popcaan, you could have give man a money. Because I know say you not go England, brother, and come back broke. Me no care if you put on the tour or not like that, you could have give the man a decent food. Because enough of them artists here, enough of them artists here want some selector to tour with them. But when it forward down to the nitty-gritty, y'all I give the man them all want 2 bills US or 1 bills US and them little monkey money there. You see me? And me know big artists, big reggae artists, me can't call them names still. Where them go foreign and them carry one particular selector, and when them go over there, them all look for the man and tell him and say, yo, sure ain't go on, that ain't go on, or it's soft, or I tell them say, yo, a bills, or 2 bills, 3 bills. The money they are monkey money after on done, a collect on a big food, half a boat dub. Well, we not pre-watch dub money, because dub money a fool no. But half like the show and them thing there, uno make money. You see me? In this case where it kinda different. One thing me know still, Popcaan kinda get emotional when him attack. You see me? You can see say it really hurt him. And it would have hurt anybody. Because remember, I'm brother-in-law. I'm brother-in-law forward on the big media and say, yo, him a puh. You see me? But people, them need to settle them differences off the ear and don't get we involved. But this is just a confirmation for sure. We want to say, yo, them never did a deal. That a one. And then no vlogger set them up, make them nah deal. Them have them internal differences and them put it out in a songs and in a media and make we know what go on. And no matter how fuck, all the little style, Vinci get one little style neat again. Yo, John who star, the part that we need to know. Popcaan, we need to know the part there. Why you and Vinci nah deal? Because the man say, yo, big belly boy there. I come chat off him out. I know say a bugger song me right for him. Send them home.
The fat gut boy that you tell the people that what song me right give him. Oh. But then I still sing one song and say, oh, we are send them home fi meet them maker. Tell the people them say I might sing that, no? That to know for do. So me no want you go on like you want feel like you can style it thing, bad man, you look nerd bum buckler glass in a youth. Cause me not even a follow on up in a dog. That's why I can't chatting it some little clown artist neither. Cause them a giggy street and one bag of chatting. And man, you see them and bust them face and then you say, oh, papi, them are evil. Brother, when you just love me, let me just go and vibe with my fans on the internet and do my fuck with them what me do. Cause that is it.
It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and tell me what you think about this whole topic. Subscribe to, if for the first time you watch, subscribe. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? I'm out. One way and any other way, the wrong way.